Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick and honest review about this powerful website called FreshBook. So we're going to break down the FreshBook and see if it's worth your time and money. So let's get started. The first thing today was to know the meaning of FreshBook, what it stands for, and what it does. FreshBook is an online tool to help a small business manage money. Think of it as a digital helper. You can create invoice, send them to customers, get paid faster with online payment option, track your expenses. Also, FreshBook helps with payroll. You can use it on your computer or with your mobile app. So designed to be easy, even if you are not an expert at accounting. FreshBook make payment and keeping track of money easier for small business. And here's the top benefit or one of the top features on their platform. So FreshBook has some cool features. They make running a small business more easier. So we're going to look at one of the top best features on the platform, which is the automated invoice. And also they have this easy navigation, which allows the website to simplify its use and can also find what you need quickly for you. They also come with a payment management. FreshBook lets you accept payment online. Customers can also pay with credit card and all of that important payment method. It also comes with an invoice customization, which makes your invoice looks professional, and also comes with app integration and all that. So we also have this wide range of pricing. They have different pricing plans. They have the light, they have the plus, they also have a premium and a custom. So if you want more information about the pricing plan, you can just simply refer to the website to check more about their pricing plan. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section if this AI website actually lives up to your standard.